The union between Tanganyika and Zanzibar was formed in 1964 to create a united and stronger nation known as the United Republic of Tanzania. Since its formation, the union has recorded several political, economic, social, and diplomatic achievements. Major achievements of union between Tanganyika and Zanzibar. 1. Political stability. The union has maintained peace and political stability, especially in Zanzibar after the 1964 revolution. 2. National unity. It has promoted unity between people of mainland Tanzania and Zanzibar, strengthening national identity. 3. Strengthened security and defense. The union combined defense forces, enhancing national security and protection against external threats. 4. International recognition. Tanzania gained stronger international recognition and respect as a united and stable nation. 5. Promotion of Pan-Africanism. The union served as a practical example of African unity, supporting Pan-African ideals. 6. Economic cooperation. Shared resources, markets, and labor have contributed to economic development in both Tanganyika and Zanzibar. 7. Free movement of people and goods. Citizens can move, trade, and settle freely between the mainland and Zanzibar. 8. Unified foreign policy. Tanzania speaks with one voice in international affairs, strengthening its diplomatic position. 9. Social integration. Shared language, Kiswahili, education systems, and cultural exchanges have strengthened social ties. 10. Longevity of the union. The union has survived for over 6 decades, demonstrating its resilience and effectiveness compared to many other African unions.